Okay, so the aim of this class is to teach you subtraction from the left. Okay, so of course this is a 3-digit number with 100 tens and units. I'm going to ignore that part in this class. Now we have 4 minus 1. We're starting from the left. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So that's the 3. Now 8 minus 3, which is the next. 8 minus 3 gives us 5. So that's 5 there. And then 2 minus 9 is actually going to give you a negative number. Okay, so you can't take away 9 from 2 and get a positive number. So that means we need to borrow. Now we borrow from the answer below. So we borrow from 5. Take 1 from 5. All we have left is 4. Okay, so and then we bring that 1 to this 2. That becomes 12. So 12 take away 9 gives you 3. So the answer becomes 3, 4, 3. That's 343. Okay, so now there are different ways this stuff can be done. It's just straight. You will see other examples that could show you other ways the questions can come up, and ways you can just use this method to easily subtract. Let's move to another example. We have 345 take away 154. Okay, so we have 345. Now we'll go still starting from the left. We have 3 minus 1 gives you 2. Now 4 minus 5, that's a negative number. Okay, so you can't take away 5 from 4 to get a positive number, so that means you need to borrow. You get 1 from 4, from 2 here, it's remaining 1. So you take that 1 to the 4, that's 14. So 14 take away 5 gives you 9. Okay, now the next is 5 take away 4. Now 5 take away 4, of course, that's 1. So the answer becomes 191. 191. Let's try another example. It becomes clearer as we go on. 843 take away 148. So now we're going. Now you have 8 minus 1 gives you 7. 4 minus 4 gives you 0. And now 3 minus 8, that's a negative number. Now, you see, we need to borrow, but when you come to 0 to borrow, when you come to this 0 to borrow, you notice that, instead of borrowing from 0, we can just borrow from 70. So you borrow from 70 instead of borrowing from 0. Let me use a different color to this is so you borrow 1 from 70, right? Okay, so when we take 1 from 70, what do we have left? We have 69. So we take 1 from 70, we have 69. We take that 1, 2, 3. So can you see what we've done? We just took 1 from 70, we take it up to 3, and when you take 1 from 70, it becomes 69 left. Now, please note that it's because we have the 0, we're just taking it together with the 7. Instead of borrowing 1 from 7, taking it to 0, and that will still work. It will still work. If you borrow 1 from 7, take it to 0, that becomes 10. Then borrow 1 from 10 and take it to 3. That will still work, but why go through that? Just borrow 1 from 70. Easy. So you take 1 from 70, that gives you 69. Now 69, and that one you take it to 3, that's 13. 13 minus 8 gives you 5. So the answer becomes 695. You can see, so there's no need to take it one after the other. Just take the 70 together. Remember I said, if you take it together, it will still, if you take it individually rather, it will still work. So let's try another example here. Let's look at this. 8 minus 3 is 5. Right? Okay. I need to write my 5 properly. So I've got 5. Now, 2 minus 4 is negative number. So what do? I take 1 from this 5, remaining 4. I put the 1 here. Can you see that? So 12 minus 4, that gives me 8. Now, I have 0 minus 8. Now 0 minus 8 is negative. I can't take 8 from 0 to get a positive number. So 0 minus 8 is negative, so I have to borrow 1 from 8. When I borrow 1 from 8, I'm left with 7. So I put the 1 there, that becomes 10. 10 minus 8 gives me 2. So the answer becomes 472. 472. Let's see if we can go one more. Okay, no, we're in our next video we would be dealing with 4-digit numbers and more, So basically, I've just thought you've seen the different ways that you could subtract it. It's quite easy. So if you really need to go, really need to understand it. If you still don't understand it, you can watch the video again. It's cool. It's a quick way of doing subtraction. Thank you. Bye for now.